Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple and delicious ice cream with only 3 ingredients and within a very few minutes. We're going to be making this delicious ice cream in a bag. To make this delicious ice cream, you're going to need evaporated milk, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. To make the ice cream in a bag, you're gonna need some ice and some salt. The salt is gonna lower the temperature of the ice and make it colder. I have 2 types of salt here. You could either use the table salt or the rock salt, but I'm gonna be using both of them. Since I'm gonna be making the ice cream in a bag, it is very important to choose a good quality bag. Sometimes you might be lucky to find Ziploc bags that are tougher than these ones that look exactly like this, but since these ones are not really strong, look at it, look at the difference. So because I don't want the bags to rip or burst, I'm gonna set them aside and use the bigger ones instead because they will be able to withstand the vigorous shaking. So I'm gonna pour the cold evaporated milk in a cup. I prefer to refrigerate my milk to give it a head start before I start mixing everything together. I'm also gonna add the cold condensed milk. The weight and measurement of the milk is gonna be in the description box. The reason why I am using evaporated milk is because it is easier to find this milk anywhere in the world. So no matter where you are, you can make and enjoy this ice cream. Now that I've gotten out most of the condensed milk, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the milk and mix. It is very important to make sure everything is properly mixed. So if you are new to my channel or you're a returning viewer and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Thank you and God bless you. I'm just gonna pour the mixture into the bag and make sure it is properly sealed. You can double the bag if you want to. Try as much as possible to remove the air from the bag to reduce the chances of it popping. Make sure to seal the bag properly because you don't want salty water to get into your ice cream and you don't want the ice cream to spill. So it is time to make the ice cream. I have my ice in the bag, so I'm gonna pour in the mixed salt. Remember I told you at the beginning, you don't have to combine the salt. You can use the table salt by itself or the rock salt, whatever you have, you can use. I'm just going to try to mix the salt and the ice together, then place the mixture in the ice bag. I'm also going to add some more ice. If you're enjoying the video, please like and share it. Thank you. So I'm just going to place some more ice on top of the mixture so that the mixture is sandwiched between the ice. So I'm just going to seal the bag properly. It is time to start shaking. It is gonna be too cold to do that with your bare hands, so you could wrap it in a towel or something, but I'm gonna use a mitten. I'm gonna put on a mitten to shake it. So I'm gonna shake it for 15 minutes. This is a family activity. If you don't have a lot of people that will help you shake it, you are just by yourself, this is a very good workout to help you burn off calories before you consume the ice cream. And by the time you are eating the ice cream, you're not going to feel guilty at all. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. And please don't forget to like and share the video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Thank you. So this is 15 minutes later. Let us see what we made. Look at it. Can you believe this? We just made ice cream in 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna wipe the top to make sure salt doesn't get in. Then I'm gonna open it for us to see what we made. Did you guys see those huge rocks that fell off the ice cream? So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So here goes the big reveal. Ta-da! Ice cream in a bag in 15 minutes. Look at this delicious goodness. Doesn't it look temptalicious? This ice cream is usually soft serve, but if you prefer a more frozen version, you can transfer it into a container and freeze it for about 3 hours. So the next time you are craving an ice cream and you have all the ingredients at home, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you would not be disappointed. Hey God, though, see ice cream. The temptation is real. I can't wait to devour this. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.